CMap Consulting Edition is an end-to-end solution for consulting firms that gives you everything you need to win more work and deliver it more profitably, whilst giving you complete visibility across your entire business. So let's take a look. Michael checks his email and sees he's received one from our regular client, Jane Smith, asking us to quote for a new project. The CMap plugin in Outlook automatically loads up Jane's details from the CMap CRM, along with the projects we're currently working on for her company. Jane wants to talk about a new project, so let's create one, which we can do right here. All we have to do is fill out the form and the project will be created in CMap straight away. So now we need to go ahead and build a quote. So let's jump directly from Outlook into CMap, so we can set a budget using the fee estimator tool. Jane wants a consultant for 3 months, so let's build an appropriate fee estimate. Next, we can create a proposal using CMap's document management tools. We start by choosing the most relevant template, and CMap will automatically insert key details for us, ready for us to send to Jane. Whilst we wait to hear back from her, let's see who we have available to work on the project if we're successful in winning it. We need someone with experience in Jane's sector, so let's narrow our people search. Okay, great. It looks like we have a few people with the right experience on the bench, so let's book Amanda to the project, so she'll be ready if we get the green light. All of this in just a matter of minutes. Fast forward a few days, and our client has been in touch to give us the go-ahead, so let's win the project. Great, now that it's live, it will immediately appear on Amanda's dashboard, and she can get started. As the project progresses, CMap makes it easy for her to track her time and expenses, either via the web app or her mobile, or even inside Outlook. This data all flows onto the project automatically, ready for billing. And that's where Brian in accounts can easily create invoices with CMap. All the data is integrated perfectly with his preferred accounting system, meaning no disruptions or delays. Meanwhile, Samantha, our CEO, can check out CMap's powerful reporting tools, building reports and dashboards with total ease. This enables you to analyze your business from any angle and make informed decisions to achieve your goals. Whether you're a boutique consultancy or an international powerhouse, CMap will help you to drive your business wherever you want to go.